Welcome to the Oklahoma Venture Forum podcast for February 2019. Today I'm with Leo Clark from Paelode Systems. He's our short presenter. Tell us all about Paelode Systems.
Well, I don't want to spoil everything, so I will touch on it. Again, Paelode Systems is the company. We're an Oklahoma-based startup. Started up about a year ago, and our primary flagship solution essentially is a oil-filled water tracking, e-ticketing, digital data flow solution that offers a reduction of 75% or thereabouts in administrative costs related to oil-filled water tracking.
So, traditional old school problem for the oil field industry that you're addressing with technology.
That's right. Much of the oil field has caught up with the 21st century, but the water hauling is one area that has not. They're still dealing with paper and things like that, and we aim to solve that problem.
Has it been very easy or very hard to incorporate new technology into a traditional field like oil and gas?
That's a good question, and we do face that issue very often because folks get set in their ways. Once you explain the benefits to it, everyone is very, very receptive to that. But yes, getting the ship turned around from a direction that it's been headed in for 80 plus years or whatever is not the easiest thing. But again, they see the benefits of it, and it's a pretty easy sell.
Is your background in technology or oil and gas?
Both.
Okay.
I was with Dell Computers for about 9 years, so I had that IT background. And then most recently, several years at one of America's largest oil and gas producers. So we have that experience to bring to the table as well. And between myself and my partner, the co-founders of Paelode Systems, we bring over 40 years of combined experience to the table.
What advice would you give to Oklahoma business leaders and entrepreneurs about doing business, startups, or existing business in Oklahoma?
Yeah, glad you asked that question. And it is a question that startup companies or would-be startups should ask themselves. And my answer to that is be receptive and open to input. In fact, seek it out, not just from folks in the industry that you would hope to break into, but other professionals that you'll need to lean on to make your company a success going down the road. And then be ready to pivot where needed.
Thank you very much, Leo, for joining us today, being our presenter at the Oklahoma Venture Forum and telling us all about Paelode Systems.
My pleasure.
Thanks.